There are countless products available on Amazon, including products that may break the bank. So for making things easier for you, we have prepared a list of 21 products from Amazon that are below $20 and are useful for your day-to-day life. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. We will try to personally reply to your comment. Ella Devon Glass Tumbler Straw. Most plastic tumblers also have plastic smells, but not this glass tumbler, which features a splash-resistant friction-fit lid. A food-safe silicone sleeve protects the 20-ounce glass tumbler, which fits in most car cup holders, and has an opening wide enough to fit ice cubes. It is completely odor-resistant, which means your beverages will always taste as it should. Dream Farm Spoon. This may become one of the most useful cooking spoons you've ever owned, and that has everything to do with its thoughtful features. This silicone spoon is perfect for scraping food from the sides of pans, thanks to a squeegee tip and flexible sides. Its deep scooping head contains markings for both teaspoon and tablespoon measurements, and its bent handle prevents drips and spills from making counters a sticky mess. Food Hugger's Silicone Avocado Keeper. There's only one real downside to avocados, but it's a major one: they seem to spoil and turn brown minutes after you cut them open. This avocado storage container has a clear snap-on lid and keeps avocados that have been sliced open fresh for much longer. Prepare our Herb Saver. If you're continually wasting money on parsley and mint that wilt days after you purchase them and won't hold up longer than a week in the fridge, this Herb Saver is the gadget you need to triple the life of your favorite herbs. Store unused herbs in the saver and add fresh water to the filler cap. The stems of your herbs will remain water, while the herbs themselves stay dry and fresh for up to 3 weeks. The saver even fits in your refrigerator door. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Strainer. Instead of dragging a hot power bowl from the stove to a colander over the sink, and then having to wash and store yet another piece of cookware, streamline your cooking with this snap-on strainer, which has a universal design that fits nearly all round pots, bowls, and pans. The silicone colander clips right onto cookware and has a spout that drains liquids in a flash. Chef Herb Stripper. This genius herb stripper does the tedious job few cooks really want to do. It strips herb and vegetable leaves from their stems without requiring a knife, scissors, and what always feels like hours of your time. Rosemary, thyme, and other herbs into one of the tool's holes and pull it through. The tool strips leaf off, leaving you with just the stem to discard. A Duro Solid Grip Phone Holder. The holder has a gooseneck stand with a 360-degree rotation that bends to adjust to the perfect viewing angle. It has a rubber grip that stays flat and secure on desks, and a strong clamp to keep phones in place. From iPhones and Androids to GPS devices and cameras, it can keep a firm hold on any device, as long as it isn't thicker than 3 inches. Plant Nanny Wine Bottle Stake Set. Recycle used wine bottles and make watering your plants a lot easier with this wine bottle stake set. By inserting a water-filled bottle inside of the stake and positioning it into the soil, your plants will always have a steady water supply even when you're away on vacation. The terracotta stakes release water slowly but consistently into the soil, ensuring plants stay healthy. Striker Lightmind Professional LED Light. This is a freestanding, magnetic LED light that you can attach to metal surfaces, and that provides a 360-degree light source. Choose among 4 modes: low power, high power, red night vision, or blinking red signal for emergencies. These lights are great to have on hand while you're out late at night, and are equally useful as lights to use while making repairs around the house. Garlic Peeler. This silicone garlic peeler turns one of life's most tedious food prep chores, removing garlic peels, into an easy, breezy one that takes just seconds and won't leave the scent of garlic on your hands. Insert a garlic clove into the tool, roll the peeler in your hands or against the counter, and it effortlessly removes stubborn peels. Body's Odor Eliminator for Shoes. Designed from activated charcoal coconut husks, these shoe odor eliminators absorb odor and moisture and neutralize smells without adding fragrances that just mask it. Insert them into shoes when you aren't wearing them and recharge them every so often by simply leaving them out in the sun for an hour. They work in all types of footwear, including boots and skates. The Emergency Sleeping Bag. This waterproof and windproof survival sleeping bag reflects 90% of your body heat vacuum, keeping you snug in the harshest temperatures and weather. But it's also the safety net that will put your mind at ease when you're camping or hiking. If something should happen, you can call for help using a 120 decibel survival whistle that can reach rescuers up to 1 mile away. The bag folds into a compact packet that fits the palm of your hand and even includes a high-tech drawstring that can start fires and repair broken gear. Your travel hanging toiletry bag. This travel-friendly toiletry bag has a metal hook that gives you the option of actually hanging it up or placing it on your counter. It has zippered mesh pockets and compartments where you can fit small bottles of skincare and hair products, as well as side pouches and a convenient carrying handle. Walthos Barbecue Grilling Gloves. The best heat-resistant cooking gloves should, of course, do a stellar job of protecting hands and wrists from heat and potential burns, and these do that, but also so much more. These silicone gloves have a comfortable cotton lining and can resist temperatures up to 450 degrees but are also capable of protecting hands in sub-zero temperatures. They also have a non-slip grip. Chef defrosting tray. This magical tray requires no hot water, preheating, or electricity, and works to completely defrost frozen foods like chicken breasts or pork chops in 1 hour. Sausages and hamburgers take much less time, and it works safely and quickly and won't cook food, like putting it in the microwave can do. This is perfect if you forget to defrost your food overnight. Blade Buddy by Razor Care. You wouldn't reuse knives a dozen times without sharpening them, so why treat your razors any differently? This razor sharpener is a reusable pad that you can rely on daily to sharpen your razor before using it, preventing nicks, ingrown hairs, razor burns, and cuts. Not only can it save your skin from unnecessary irritation, but it extends the life of disposable and double-edged razors. iRoller Screen Cleaner. A complete game changer for anyone who can't stand dirty fingerprints on screens, smartphones, and tablets. This cleaner also manages to sanitize and remove bacteria at the same time. It's completely liquid-free, so you can keep it in your purse. So Good Grip Soap Dispensing Brush. The handle of this innovative soap brush stores liquid soap, and with a push of a button, you can disperse that soap on plates or dishes and have an easy cleaning experience all around. The nylon bristles are perfect to get rid of grime, and there's a scraper on the back so you can get rid of caked on food with ease. Leather-Brain Comfort Anti-Fatigue Mat. If you stand all day in a particular room, this anti-fatigue mat will keep your feet from getting too tired. The non-slip bottom keeps it from moving around, and it won't collect dust or pet hair. The beveled edge will also prevent tripping. Oster Cordless Electric Wine Bottle Opener. Cordless electric wine bottle opener has a foil cutter and can pop open corks in seconds with the push of a button and without so much as a pull needed on your part. It comes with a recharging base, but it doesn't sound like you'll need to use it very often. One charge provides enough power to open up to 30 bottles. Subaru Moldable Glue. Heat resistant, waterproof, durable, flexible, and electrically insulating, this moldable glue dries to sturdy silicone rubber. It's fantastic bonding, sealing, and fixing a variety of products. It can fix smartphone cords, seal the soles of shoes, create waterproof barriers. And you can even make hooks with it to keep your chargers from moving around or hang your keys.